In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. We'll take you through a simple process, step by step, to ensure that you can easily set this up and get the benefits of having Apollo.io work seamlessly with LinkedIn. This integration will enhance your ability to manage professional contacts and leverage LinkedIn's extensive database to find new opportunities. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the web store. This is where you'll find all sorts of extensions and tools to customize and enhance your browsing experience. Now, once you're at the web store, direct your attention to the search bar. Type in Apollo.io. This search will help you locate the official Apollo.io browser extension. As you may already know, Apollo.io is a platform that provides robust tools for sales and engagement, offering users the ability to streamline their workflow. By integrating it with LinkedIn, you can maximize your networking and lead generation efforts. When you see the Apollo.io extension listed in the search results, click on it to proceed further. This will lead you to the extensions page, which provides additional information about what the extension does and user reviews that might be helpful. On this page, you'll see an option to add the extension to your browser. Click on Add to Chrome or the applicable button if you're using a different browser. A prompt might appear to confirm whether you really want to add this extension, spelling out the permissions it requires. These permissions are necessary for the extension to function properly. So go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed. Once the extension is installed, it should appear in the toolbar of your browser, most likely in the top right corner. To verify that the installation was successful, click on the extension icon. It's a good practice to ensure everything is set up correctly. You might need to log into your Apollo.io account if you aren't already. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be set to go. With the extension active, you can now start linking Apollo.io with LinkedIn, gaining direct access to LinkedIn profiles and seamlessly importing contacts. As you visit LinkedIn profiles, Apollo.io will gather data, making it easier for you to save time and prioritize your leads. We hope this guide makes it easy for you to integrate Apollo.io with LinkedIn. With these tools combined, you'll streamline your workflow and enhance your ability to manage and grow your professional network. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you next time.